Hello students, good afternoon to everyone. Myself Mrs. Priya Lad from Shet Vidya Mandir English High School, Maharashtra Board Vasai East. Today we have going to learn Standard 9th Grammar Part Bhasha Sutram 1 Namani Part 2. We have studied the declension of Ukaranta Namani Bhanu, Dhenu and Madhu in the previous video. Similarly, in this video, we have to learn Rukaranta Namani, the nouns which are ending in vowel Ru. Now, we see here two parts. First, Sambandha Vachakani and the second, Dhatutah Nirmitani. First, we see these words with meaning. The first part, Sambandha Vachakani, means relatives' name. And the Pullingi words are Pitru, Janakaha, means father. Bhratru, Sahodaraha, brother. Devru, Patyuhu Bhrata, means brother-in-law. Jamatru, Kanyayaha Patihi, means son-in-law. Next, Strilingi words Matru, Janani, mother. Duhitru, Kanya, daughter. Yatru, Devuhu, Patni. It means husband's sister-in-law. And Nanatru means sister-in-law. Here one word adding in masculine gender, that is a Nru. Manushaha, man. We always see the word Naraha. It's a plural form of the Nru words. Okay. Then second part is Dhatutah Nirmitani Shabdani. The words which are created from the basic root. First, Kartru means the person is work very hard. It means hard worker. Second, Netru, leader. Hartru, thief. Shrotru, listener. Yodhru, fighter. Datru, donor. Vaktru, speaker. Vidhatru, God. Abhinetru, actor. And Bodhru means intelligent person. Here also we see the another words. Savitru, Pullingi, Suryaha, the sun. Swasru, Strilingi, Bhagini, means sister. Naptru, Pullingi words. Potraha or Dohitraha means grandson or granddaughter. Okay students, now we start to read the declination form of the first word Pitru. It's a Rukaranta Pullingi naam. Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha Prathama, Pitaram, Pitarau, Pitruna Dvitiya, Pitra, Pitrubhyam, Pitrubhihi Trutiya, Pitre, Pitrubhyam, Pitrubhyaha Chaturthi, Pituhu, Pitrubhyam, Pitrubhyaha Panchami, Pituhu, Pitroho, Pitrunam Shashti, Pitari, Pitroho, Pitrushu Saptami. हे पितर और हे पितः, हे पितरौ, हे पितरः संबोधनम. Now we see the word matru, Rukaranta Strilingi naam. Here almost all the forms of the matru follow the form of the pitru words, except only one form, that is Dvitiya Bahuvachan Matruhu. Okay, in Pitru we find out Pitrun and in Matru we find out Matruhu. Now we start to read it. माता मातरौ मातरः प्रथमा मातरं मातरौ मातृः द्वितीया मात्रा मातृभ्यां मातृभिः तृतीया मात्रे मातृभ्यां मातृभ्यः चतुर्थी मातुः मातृभ्यां मातृभ्यः पंचमी मातुः मात्रोः मातॄणां षष्ठी मातरी मात्रोः मातृषु सप्तमी। हे मातर और हे मातः, हे मातरौ, हे मातरः संबोधनम। Here we completed the first part of the ऋकारंत नामानि. Now we see the second part. धातुतः निर्मितानि शब्दानि. For example, कर्तृ. नाम कर्तृ made from the basic root कृ and its meaning अर्थः यह करोति means the person who has doing their work properly. Now the form of this word पुल्लिंगी प्रथमा एकवचन like पितृ, we have note down the word कर्ता, it's like a पिता. And for स्त्रीलिंगी प्रथमा एकवचन like मातृ words माता, but here we find out कर्त्री. It means धातुतः निर्मितानि all the words when we fill in feminine स्त्रीलिंगी words, then we join here basically दीर्घ ई and it's follow the basic noun दीर्घ इकारांत स्त्रीलिंगी नदी. The prathama vibhakti of the nadi is nadi, dirgha e. Okay, so the prathama vibhakti of the kartru words in feminine is kartri. Similarly, we follow the another words also. Second, ru, basic root. We make a word hartru. यह हरति, who is taken far away. The पुल्लिंगी प्रथमा एकवचन form is harta, it's like a pita, and the स्त्रीलिंगी प्रथमा एकवचन is hartri, it's like a nadi. Next, the basic root ninaya, we frame the word netru. यह नयति, नेत्रु means leader. So पुल्लिंगी प्रथमा एकवचन as a neta and स्त्रीलिंगी नेत्री. Next, root is a raksha. We frame the word rakshitru means protector, meaning यह रक्षति, the person who is protect to us. The pullingi form is rakshita and strilingi is rakshitri. Next, basic root shru, we make a word shrotru, meaning yah shrunoti, the person who is listen. The pullingi form is shrota and the strilingi is shrotri. Now the next, here we see the all Rukaranta nouns which are created from basic root, that means Dhatutah Nirmitani Shabdani. All Pullingi words are followed the form of Pitru in, but they have some change. The pronouns are instead of a in Prathama, Dvitiya and Sambodhan Vibhakti. Like in Pitru, we say Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha, Prathama. But in Dhatutah Nirmitani Shabdani, we call Karta, Kartarau, Kartaraha, the form of the Kartru. Dvitiya Vibhakti, in Pitru, we say Pitaram, Pitarau, Pitruna. But In धातुतः निर्मितानि शब्दानि we say कर्तारं, कर्तारव, कर्तृन, द्वितीया. Okay, so we pronounce a instead of a. Clear? तृतीयातः सप्तमी पर्यन्तं शब्दरूपाणि पितृवत् भवन्ति. The form of these words are similar like a pitru forms from Tritiya to Saptami Vibhakti. Now we see the Strilingi words of the Dhatutah Nirmitani Shabdani. These are follow the form of the Nadi. Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyah Prathama, Kartri, Kartryau, Kartryah Prathama, Nadim, Nadyau, Nadihi Dvitiya, Kartrim, Kartryau, Kartrihi Dvitiya. Okay, so these are the Dhatutah Nirmitani Shabdani. Okay students, now here we completed our Rukaranta Namapadani. Now turn towards the Bhashabhyasa. The question 1 is Nibandham Purayat Ganeshasya Kutumbakam. Fill the proper form of the given words and complete the composition. The first sentence Shankaraha Ganeshasya dash. We use the form of the Pitru. It's a Pita. Shankaraha Ganeshasya Pita. Second, Parvati Ganeshasya dash. Matru. Answer is Mata. Parvati Ganeshasya Mata. Third, Kartikeyaha Ganeshasya dash. Bhratru. We use Bhrata. Kartikeyaha Ganeshasya Bhrata. In these three sentences, the subjects are in Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan. So, we also fill the given words related with this in Prathama Ekvachan. Then, fourth, dash Parvatyaha Adesham Etau dash Palayatah. Okay, Mother Parvati. So, Matru words relate with the Parvati words. We guess the form of the Parvati. It's a Parvatyaha means Shashti Ekvachan. So we fill here Matru Shashti Ekvachan Matuhu. Next, Bhratru noun depending upon the pronoun Etau. It's a Prathama Dvivachan. So we use here Prathama Dvivachan of the Bhratru Bhratarau. So answer is Matuhu Parvatyaha Adesham Etau Bhratarau Palayatah. The fifth one Mata Mahasya Himalayasya Etau Adarshau dash Naptru. Naptru means grandson. So it's also depending upon the pronoun Etau. So we write here Naptarau. Clear? So students, in this way we completed our noun forms Ukaranti and Rukaranti. Now I give you the one questions. It's always asked in our exam paper, that is Namatalikam Purayat. Here first we guess the form of the given words and basic noun of the word, then we change it into the another forms. Okay, it's related with their particular vibhakti. So note down all the question and answers in your notebook and by heart these declination forms. Thank you.